How to hide all photos on Facebook from public. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can hide all the photos on Facebook from public. Now, in order to hide all your photos on your albums on Facebook, or in order to hide all your photos, you can simply open up Facebook. Now if you head over to your profile there on Facebook, you can simply scroll down and you'll be able to see photos option. Tap on photos and you'll be able to see all your photos. You can see albums there. If you tap on album, you'll be able to see all the albums. Now how you can hide it from the public. Now there is no any option to directly hide all the photos at once from public. All you have to do is you can simply tap on that particular picture, then tap on that picture again, and then tap on three dots option at the top right of every picture that is there, and then tap on edit privacy, and then here you can see only me option. Simply tap on it and you can head back and this will be saved. Now you can go ahead and edit your post privacy as well. In that case, all your posts will be private, not only your photos. So this is the way that you can hide the photos. You'll have to do it individually. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.